Okay, this is the dress that I got from my aunt's boutique. And I just love this dress. It's like a t-shirt dress, but the fabric is, I love the fabric, and the only thing that it was missing was pockets, and there's nothing like a dress or a skirt with pockets. And so I added the pockets because it didn't have pockets, so I added some pockets. And like I said, I just love this dress. Like I said, I have problems with my ankles, and so I can't really wear a lot of dress shoes, so I bought a lot of these really cute loafer type shoes, and I had some gray ones that just went perfect with it. Okay, now the fabric. I don't know how I'm going to do this, so let's see. This is the fabric. I don't know if you guys can see it. Okay, so normally I would think most people would probably put the design, you see that, at the bottom of whatever piece you decide to make. Well, once I started playing with the fabric, just, playing with it on myself, let's see if we can do this. I thought, you know what, I'm not going to put it on the bottom. I don't know if you'll get an idea. I can't wait to get my dress form because it will be my body time. I'm going to do it. I don't know if you can see it. I'm going to do it this way. I'm going to do it up and down on either the left or the right side of myself. I don't know if I have some left over, but I think I will have, and then I'm going to make probably a skirt out of it. But yeah, normally, like I said, you would put this on the bottom of whatever piece you're making. Well, I'm going to put it, like I said, the long way, and I'm going to either put it on the left or the right of me. I just think this fabric is wonderful. I've got some other that I picked up. Joann Fabric had a sale, and I think I got it like $2.99 a yard. This was gifted to me, so I didn't have to pay anything for it. But I'm going to make a t-shirt dress out of this fabric. So, and then it will have only one, well, actually I have two seams, because it has to have seams on the left and the right, because I'm going to add pockets to it. And then it has a seam down the back. So the front of the dress, when I cut it, I'll cut it on the fold. It'll open up, and then that'll give me the two left and right seams. And then on the back, you'll cut it on the grain, or pick a spot, and it'll be two pieces, and you sew them together. So yeah, I'm excited. So I'm going to start that project tomorrow, and it will be, you can use a dress, a shirt, pants, anything that you have that you really like and you want to duplicate it, you can use that as a pattern. So I really like this dress. It took me a while. I just kept looking at it at the boutique, and finally I bought it. It was marked down, oh my God, maybe 50%. And I finally bought it because I don't really wear dresses, and I mostly wear skirts. I don't wear dresses, and I just didn't know how this would look on me. But when I put it on, it fit my body type, and that's sometimes what we have to do. Just play dress up, just play dress up. Try on different skirts, different tops, dresses, and just see what you like on yourself. That's the best way to do it. And then pattern everything after that. You can get them in different colors, different textures, and that's what I'm going to do with this dress. I am going to make it in a knit. I'm going to make it in sweater type material. I'm going to jean material. I'm just going to make a lot of versions of this dress because I love this dress. I might even put a belt on it. I don't know. But anyway, this is it. And where the pocket is on this dress, and just duplicate the spacing and do it on this one. So I'm going to put a pin here, and it goes to here, and put a pin here, and then I'm going to make my pockets. Basically, I've got more fabric. I've got enough fabric to make a skirt, so I'm going to pick one of my favorite skirts and do the same thing, trace around it and duplicate that. And on the skirt, I'm going to put this on the bottom of the skirt, and I think that'll be really nice on the bottom. And then if I have enough fabric, I'm going to make the waistband out of this part of the fabric here. I think it's so cute. All right, you guys, this is the first phase. Like I said, I just duplicated a garment that I really like, and you could do it in different colors. You can do it in different type fabrics. Yeah, there's so much that you can do with your original outfit that you really love. You can duplicate it in different colors, different type fabrics, and increase your wardrobe that way. You don't have to go out and buy. So play dress up. Okay, now I have completed everything that is going to be a part of making this t-shirt dress. I've cut out my pockets, and I've shown you guys, if you're a part of Revamping by Nettie, you know how I make my pockets. I put my hand down, I trace around it, giving myself enough wiggle room, and hence you have a pocket pattern. So I've made the pockets. The dress in the middle is the dress that I drafted it from, and then you see all the pieces laid out. So I am getting ready to begin making my t-shirt dress, drafted from another dress that I bought I don't know, months ago, that I really like I like the way it looks on myself. Like I told you guys, play dress up, you know, get some items from your closet, and just try them on with shoes, different, you know, and that way you can find out what you like on yourself. You know, sometimes we rely on what other people say, but, you know, just play dress up and see what looks good on you, because I never wore dresses, and I just kept looking at this dress at the boutique until I just finally said, you know, I really like that. I'm going to buy it. And I liked the way it looked in the shop, and when I got it home, it looked well with the shoes, the type shoes that I was going to wear with it. I have systemic lupus, and sometimes my ankles and my feet just do not want to cooperate, okay? And so I can't really wear dress shoes sometimes through the whole service. And if I do, by the time I'm home, I'm limping, my feet, my ankles are swollen. And you don't want to take the shoes off when you have swollen feet or ankles, because once you take them off, if you're not home, you can't put them back on again. I've literally sometimes have gone home with some footies on because I've taken the shoe off because it, you know, was hurting my feet so bad. So I've decided to start making maxi skirts and dresses so that I can still look nice and wear the type shoes that are comfortable for me when I'm wearing it. And I still look good and I still feel good when I'm at church. I know the Lord says come as you are, but even with that, you want to feel good in what you wear. And so myself, there's others that do it, but for myself, I don't feel comfortable wearing a suit where you see legs and I don't have stockings on and I don't have the proper shoes. You know, some people get away with wearing tennis shoes and they look good, but for myself, I don't feel comfortable when my shoes show and they're not dress shoes when I wear certain outfits. All right, let's get started. This is Annette with Revamping by Nettie. Again, I thank you guys so much for the support. We're almost up to 3,000 views, and that's because of you guys. Yes, there's some, would I would like to have 3-something K? Of course, but hey, I'm growing. This is new. I don't profess to be a professional. I just share with you guys what I do, and I thank God that the people that I do it for appreciate it. So I'm still learning. You know, it's been a while since I've sewn, and the last time I had heart surgery, the Lord led me this way, and so I'm doing it, and He's showing me that He is faithful. When He gives you something or places something on your heart, if He does it, then it will prosper. And so I am, I guess, living out my dream. I'm doing something that I enjoy doing. Before it was desktop publishing, but with social media, the computer, a lot of people don't have to pay to get flyers and cards and that kind of stuff going. Although I still do it, but it's not as busy as it was before, because even a novice can do it themselves. All right, you guys. Again, this is Annette with Revamping by Nettie. Again, I thank you. I thank you. I thank you for your support. Hey, Roz. Hey, Keon, he is my nephew, and bless his heart, he says he watches me on TV, and that really makes me feel good, because he's a guy, and to know that he has interest in what his auntie does is very refreshing, and it just makes me feel good. All right, you guys, I have enlisted the help of my sister. Did I tell you she made some, a taco salad? Gave me life. Can't wait to go eat round 2, but I'm hungry, but I wanted to get this last alteration done before she left because I needed a little help. So I have it inside out. I traced it like I told you guys, so I had to take a little bit more, I think, can you see me, off the front collar, and then because I still have to hem it, so leaving some seam allowance for that. I wanted to put my pockets on so I could make sure they're in the right spot. If you didn't have the seam allowance, you'd say, okay, you're done, girl. So pockets are going to be here. I want to make sure they were in the right spot. I've serged everything. I still have to put a hem in it though. Sometimes depending on the material, you can serge it, and if that's your flavor, you can leave it like that. But I think I want to put a hem in it. So as you can see, all the serging made it really look professional on the inside. Like I said, home ec teacher was like, it should look as good as on the inside as it does on the outside. So I kind of like the way everything fits, because remember, it's a t-shirt maxi dress. So again, I put my pockets exactly where I think I want them. I've left enough seam allowance for my pocket, for my sleeves. What I thought I was going to do with the sleeves, I think it's not going to work because you can see the serging. So I think I'm going to make them this length, but I might V them. I'm going to do something different because, hey, we sew, so we can be as creative as we want. Why? Because we can. All right, you guys, so we're just about done. This is a basting stitch. I'm hungry. Had lost the train of thought. So this is a basting stitch, so it's just really easy to take apart. And then the next stitch, you want to use a zigzag stitch because this is stretch material, and a straight stitch, the seams will just split. So what do you think? This is the dress that I copied from another t-shirt dress that I just love, and I like the way it fits. So this is going to be it. Right jewelry, and I think I'm on the road to perfection. All right, you guys, on to the next. We're almost done. I thank my sister, thanks Francine, for helping me get my stitching and the final fit. Now once I get my new dress form, I can put it on her. I think I'm going to call her Annie, because that's me. And then I can do all my alterations on Annie. But right now, I need help from others. Again, I like the placement of my pockets. I think I'm going to V my sleeves. And then we're going to call it a day. I will do the reveal after church. How about that? All right, you guys. On to the next. Thanks for watching.